What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on Knight Industries 2020. Check it out. We already did the unboxing video. Okay, that was pretty much uneventful. It was just the scanner and the control module. So this is going to be a first startup of the Knight Rider scanner, and I'm super excited to share this with you guys. So let me show you what I've done here. We have our ground wire, okay, running from the scanner to the car. I realize this isn't KITT, this is my other car, but it's the best we could do on short notice. So we have our big black wire that comes across, okay, and this links up back here into this. This is an RCA cable for audio, so the Knight Rider sound. Okay, we have a 30 amp fuse right there. Negative going to negative and positive going to positive. We have two lenses, our red and our white lens. And that's it. Everything else is pretty much self-contained. Really nice. So we're gonna see what we have here. I'm gonna hold the camera about right here for you guys while I push the button. So when I push the button, I'm just gonna come over here and push the power button, and we'll see what happens. There you go. So that's it. You can increase the speed by clicking increase. See that? Or you can decrease the speed by clicking the decrease. And yeah, man, super excited about it. Looks good. It's got a little fan back here. It's cooling everything off. Yeah, let me know what you think. It does get a bit hot, but that's okay. Oh, and when you push the off button, just dissipates. There you go. First startup. So I can't wait to install that into KITT. KITT's still in the body shop. My guess is they're gonna have it for another 3, maybe 4 weeks. But by mid-July, I'm hoping we'll have it back and we can go ahead and install the rest of this good stuff. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Take care. Bye.